Hello, this training video will show you how to access and use Barrick Gold's new Purchase Order Management System. When you first arrive to the site, you will need to log in to access the system. To log in, select Login at the top right of the screen. Next, enter the username and password that was provided to you by Barrick. Once you enter your username and password, press Login, and you'll be taken to the back office dashboard. The back office dashboard is the first place that you arrive to when you log in. This will give you a high-level view of all of your shipments. Over to the left, under the LTL operations dashboard, you will see counters indicating the number of shipments in each status. For example, you'll see how many shipments are in ready to dispatch, how many shipments are in dispatch for pickup, and also how many shipments are in transit and also to delivered. This is a great way to keep track of all of your shipments. To create a brand new purchase order, go to Shipments at the top left of the screen and then click on Create Domestic Standard Form. The first thing that the system will ask you to do is to select a customer. The customer in this case will be your vendor. So go ahead and type in the vendor name, and as soon as you start typing in this field, it will give you the customer list. Select your vendor, then select the customer, and now you're ready to go. At the very top of the screen, you are given the different fields. These are the shipment reference fields. The customer PO, this is a very important field. Enter your purchase order number here. Next, change the status from order received to request for quote. For the origin, simply mouse into the field and it'll give you the vendor. Also for the destination information, just go ahead and select the field and it'll allow you to select your mine. Next, scroll down a little bit, you'll see accessorials and most importantly, pickup information. This is where you can set the pickup date. Below this information here is the items to ship. Simply mouse into the description and it'll give you the product catalog, which will load automatically, giving you all the available products to ship. Once you confirm that the handling units and the weight and the other pieces are correct, simply move on to generate quotes. When you select generate quotes, this will give you all the different carrier options available to you. This may take a few moments as we are hitting a lot of different carrier websites. All right, once the results display, go ahead and select the carrier you want to use for this movement. And then scroll down to the bottom and click on Save and View Details. And you're all set. The shipment has been saved, the order has been created, and now your vendor will have access to this order to do the final execution. Now, if this order requires any sort of expedited shipping, any sort of guaranteed level, if it's a hotshot shipment, something like that, we also provide you those options in the system as well. To access that, simply click on Edit Record. And where it says shipment type, change from LTL to domestic freight. You can also do this step when you're originally creating the order. You can just change it from LTL to domestic freight. Once you change that, you'll be able to scroll down a little bit to service level, where you can indicate if it's a next day, second day, or an expedited shipment. Simply select the service level and then go ahead and click on Save and View Details. Now, the added benefits of using our system for your purchase order management is that you have access to a lot of new tools that you didn't have before. One of those new tools is the activity log. The activity log gives you a full audit trail of all of the activity within the shipment. You'll be able to look at all the shipment notes when your vendor booked the order, when they executed it, the tracking and tracing, and all of the information about the shipment. And you'll be able to access that anytime. Also, if this was a truckload shipment, you have trailer type options, which are available right under the commodity information. Simply change the shipment from a domestic freight to a truckload shipment, and then you'll be able to select the trailer type. And that is how you access the system and create an order. If you want to do further tracking and tracing, just come back to the back office. You'll be able to track and trace from this board here, or go to Shipments and click on Domestic Search. The domestic search will bring up all of the orders, which you can monitor. From here, you can go ahead and click on the activity log, which will give you all of the information about the order. Thank you for your time today. If you have any questions, please contact IT support or your local barrick representative. Thank you.